Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Can-Am Defender Max. We've just installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how the kit works. This Ryco kit does come with front turn signals, as you see. Anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole, you can mount those lights. Comes with a column mount like you'd see in your car. Down will activate the turn signals left, and up on the dash you'll actually see it integrated into that stock dash cluster. There's the front driver side flashing. And what I love about the Ryco kit is it ties into the stock tail lights, utilizing all of those bright LEDs from the factory. You also have the ability to have the 4-way hazard function. Pull out on that red lever. You'll see those indicators integrated in up on the dash. And the lights on the front. Very nice, very bright. Also has the license plate light and mount. To release the 4-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever, and the horn button is integrated into the end. Great clean kit. The Ryco kit is going to come with everything you need to be street legal here in the state of Utah, with the exception of 2 mirrors. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody.